Scale tip number 1. Hey, it's Ollie here. How's it going? So, very warm welcome to my new daily Facebook Live series called Scale Tips. Now, on today's tip, right, I'm going to be telling you how you can make content fun and easy. And before we do that, I want to explain what this series is all about. So what I want to do is help you, if you have a business right now, whether you sell digital products, whether you're a coach, even if you sell physical products, you're some kind of entrepreneur in the online world, and things are going well and you want to grow your business. I'm going to be giving you some of my best tips from the heart, stuff that genuinely worked for me to help me scale my businesses, 2 businesses so far, to the point where they're doing 6-figure months. So, today's tip is about making content fun and easy. So you might notice that this is possibly one of the most low budget setups I've ever done for a content video. In fact, I'm in one of the smallest rooms of my house, right? I've actually just got a bookshelf behind me there, propped up my copy of Breakthrough Advertising to at least, establish some authority as a marketer, right? But the point is, this is one of the most low budget videos I've ever made. Why is that significant? Well, here's the thing, right? I don't have to do things low budget. I have a DSLR camera. I have about 4 lenses. I have lav microphones, I have boom mics, I have tripods, I have about £2,500 worth of professional LED lighting that I can set up. I've got all kinds of stuff that I can use to make content flashy. But here's the thing. Sometimes when you make content flashy and when everything looks really professional and you just focus on making the picture, the audio and all that stuff look really good, 2 things happen. Number 1, it's a hassle to set it all up, right? If you get an idea, then you've got to spend 45 minutes or half an hour setting everything up. By the time you press record, you might lose your flow, right? You have to remember what the idea was, and you can't just click your fingers and record a video. That's number 1, it's a hassle. Number 2, people don't really care how flashy your content is. Not really. I mean, they'll notice, sure, and they'll think, oh, he's got a good camera, I wonder where he got that from, or wow, there's, the background's blurry, right? That's the thing I wanted in my content. I wanted the background to be blurry because it looked great, and on many of my videos it is. But what really matters is the value you bring through. That's what really matters. So here's my tip for today. Create content in a way that's fun and easy for you. So here's what I decided to do with this series. Okay, so it's actually quite funny, right? Every morning when I wake up, okay, I get ready, okay, and I have a coffee. When I have a morning coffee, I seem to just go on this rant in my head, right? I go on this rant because I get so much energy from the coffee, and I either write stuff down or I just think about things in my head. I get all these ideas, and I seem to just keep going and keep going. Sometimes it's about business, sometimes it's about other stuff. But I was thinking to myself, some of these rants are quite insightful. Sometimes I even come across some things which are, surprise myself. I thought, why don't I give you guys the opportunity to actually sit in on this, and so you can subject yourself to my rants as well. So that was my idea for making content super fun, super easy. And like I said, super low budget. I'm just sitting here next to a bookshelf on a sofa where I usually just play video games, right, at the weekends. And there's no DSLR, there's no microphones, there's no lighting, there's no blurry background, right? We've just got chat show host David Letterman behind me, right, watching. And I'm focusing on the content. I want to bring something to you which is genuinely going to help you, and I think that's going to make much more of an impact than doing it the flashy way. Also, I'll be motivated to do this daily for the next 30 days, which is what I'm intending on, and therefore I believe this content will have a much bigger impact than doing something less often, because it's a hassle and therefore it picking up less momentum. So, to kick things off, Right, I'm going to be giving away loads of free stuff while I'm doing this series. So if you would like a book which tells you about the 2 ancient marketing systems that all 7-figure coaches use to scale their businesses, and it gives you the whole framework for how you need to just slightly tweak the structure of your business so it can scale, then I'm going to give it to you. Just type scale in the comments below this video and I will PM you the book. Usually I charge for it, but because you're here, because you're watching this, one of my first videos in this series, you'll get it for free. Alright, really can't wait to help you with more tips on how to scale your business. Type scale in the comments if you want that free book, and I'll see you in episode 2.